Good morning, good morning. We're heading out to BIRDCAMP, Thailand this morning. And it's a beautiful sunny day. Been raining, overcast. But hopefully it cools down a little bit. Kind of hot. But yeah, we're just gonna do a one-night trip to Nakhon Nayok. So, all right, we'll see you guys there. So here it is, finished. Got my tarp up. And if you guys are wondering what tarp setup this is the AQUA Defender. I got it on Amazon. Very, very robust tarp. The only thing that really kills it is the sunlight, but that's what it's for. Sunlight and rain, protection, wind. What's good? How y'all come along? Good? Yep. Okay, we're just setting up the last part of the tent. We're just putting the rainfly on. She's good at that, so I let her do that. I always put the wrong side on. But yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful one-night camp. It's beautiful, sunny. About to jump in this clear water. Cool off. Huh, babe? Alright, so we're all back in the shade, relaxing. Hangs still working hard. They're getting ready for they're putting all the kitchen stuff up, or out, I should say. But yeah, it's cooling off. Hope you guys can hear me. I got a fan blowing, so I gotta get some microphones. I always play this video back, and the sound quality sucks. But I can't afford to spend $300 on some microphones right now. Babe. So, yet. But Thailand, I want to get certain ones and I can't get them here in Thailand. If I do, I have to pay an arm and a leg for them. So I'm just waiting. But yeah, we're gonna relax a little bit, cool off, cool down, and probably get in this river. It looks very inviting, cool, refreshing. So you guys see my t-shirt I made? It's one of my first traveling tib t-shirts I made. How's it going? Oh, good, good. Ben, you still hammering away over here? What are you hammering on?
อันนี้ต้องหนีบใส่โต๊ะแล้วก็ดึงขามันลงยันกับพื้น
All right, so they're setting up the kitchen. I'm just watching. Oh, there's our lights, babe.
Believe me, one more. Believe me, believe me, one more. Believe me.
It's pouring down, raining. We barely just got inside. We had to move the table, the food, everything. We barely, we barely got in here. It's thunder and lightning. Hola. Pouring down raining here in Nakhon Nayok. We barely got in here. Thunder and lightning. Had 20% chance of rain. Nit noi. Very little. Now it's pouring cats and dogs. I'm literally sitting in water. So yeah, thunder and lightning, pouring down raining. We barely got in here. We're eating mugatat. Plenty of food left over. I'm full.
He forgot all better.
good morning, everyone. We changed spots, camping spots last night or yesterday, and we ended up deciding to stay another night, but it started to rain. We already had our tarp up, but we decided to put the tent in the back of the truck. It actually worked out. The tent exactly fits in the bed of the truck. So off the ground, it rained a little bit, but not much. So for all you Suzuki Carry guys out there, this works flawlessly. All right, so we're gonna pack up. We're gonna head on out. It's about 9:45, and clouds are rolling in, and we want to try to get out of here. So, all right, we'll see you on the next one. Say bye, Pank.